Samarth and I'm the Star JetLearner. So my name is Samarth. I am 8 years old. I live in Dubai and I love to play cricket and also spend time on my iPad. So coding interests me because it's since we are in the future, I would like to learn how to use technology. I can create my own stuff and create robots that can help me and stuff. Next, I'm thinking to create a quiz about forces, make a project based on math. April, I think I started coding, and I pretty much like it a lot. Yeah, I felt pretty nervous that I might not do something well or do something by accident wrong. But now I feel happy that I know how to do it and it's easy enough. First, I started doing code.org. I did some courses, and then after that I did Scratch Junior, in which I did my Father's Day project and many other stuff. And now I'm doing again code.org, but instead of doing the courses, I'm making projects. First reaction was that I was thrilled that I got it, because I never knew I'll ever get it. They felt pretty proud of me. So first it says this. Now when you press down first, it says this. Then space. Then it shows the roots and the atmospheric nitrogen next to it. Now when I press right, it says how do you pronounce this? I don't know how to pronounce this, but this bacterium converts nitrogen to ammonia. It lives in the root nodules of the plants. Now I have to press up. The nitrifying bacterium converts ammonia to nitrates and then to nitrites. Nitrites and then to nitrates. Sorry. So left. Now the nitrates go through the roots and go make a leaf. Now A, the animals eat the leaf and their excretion and dead leaves give out ammonia. And then B, and the cycle starts all over again just from the ammonia stage, because they just gave out ammonia, so it doesn't need to go from the atmospheric nitrogen to the ammonia. I am Samarth and I love JetLearn.